friends, Running Kimono here. So today is Tuesday the 22nd, and we're going to talk about some stuff and things happening over at Walgreens. So this booster showed up this morning, and as you can see, it's one day only on the 24th, which is Thursday, the day before Christmas, and you can do this in-store or on walgreens.com. So you have an either-or option. Go to your digital coupons folder and load this one right away. I found it at the top of the coupons folder, so no mystery or weird place that I was finding it. For this specific one, you have to pay cash for the balance. You can't use points. Win, lose, or draw, that's how it goes. This one also showed up, and it's until the 30th. It's a very weird window, but this one you can actually use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance. So you're really going to have to pay attention, and this one is valid from the 24th to the 30th. So it's that window, but this one you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Now, the question a lot of you are going to ask is, well, can the two stack? I don't know. You can give it a try, but you'll have to pay cash for the balance. If you want to do them separately, what I would recommend is to get a basket for $25 for your first one, and then use that one, and then use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, and then the second one do another basket so they're separate. Or you could try to stack them together, but if only one works, those are the breaks. And the other one is valid from the 24th to the 30th, so you have a week to use that, and not everybody received that one, just to note that. So this is the one that we're going to talk about for this video, because it is only on the one day, which is the 24th. If you want to run out to the store today to do a couple of these deals, you have to wait, because these boosters are yet to be activated, and even if you try, it's not going to work. It has to be 24th moving forward. So we're going to use this booster for the first transaction. And this booster is of a one-time use, so one and done. So we're going to be grabbing 3 of these mouthwashes for $3 on the nose. And the promotion with this week is that if you buy 3 of these, you're going to get back a $3.50 register reward. Now on Sunday, if you were so lucky, there was a very generous coupon that showed up that is a 8 off of 3. So how very great is that? And it's working with those itty bitty mouthwashes. And we're also going to grab one of these Nicorette gums for $11.49. These are typically found behind the cash register. So where the cashier stands, that pegboard behind her, it's like hidden somewhere, and she has to actually get it for you because it's one of those items that's under lock and key and gun. We're going to need this digital coupon loaded, which is a $4 off. So please make sure you have that guy loaded. And then if you go over to your IBOTTA, make sure that you have this $3 one loaded as well for that product. Okay, guys, let's take a peek at the math. So this is for the 24th only. So Thursday, the 24th only. Make sure you have your booster loaded. Grab 3 of those mouthwashes. That's $9. And then 1 of the Nicorette, the 20 count gum for $11.49. So your total is $20.49. Remember, you have your booster already loaded to your store card as well. We have an 8 off of 3, and then the $4 digital also coming off for the Nicorette. You're left with paying $8.49 cash out of pocket. Your credit card, your debit card, pay with pennies, cash, whatever. Don't use your Walgreens cash to pay. Pay physical cash for this guy, for the basket. So that's $8.49 out the window. And as you spent $20 on this basket, you're going to get back $5 as per that booster, a $3.50 register reward for Crest, $3 to IBOTTA for buying the Nicorette, making your basket free, plus a $3.01 money maker. Remember, pay cash for this transaction. Now, I know that a lot of you have already been to the store and already used your 8 off of 3, because I just know a lot of you. I just have that intuition. So if you have this one, we could still make a deal happen. So grabbing 3 products that's attaching to this $5 coupon, we're just going to rework this again. So the same math for the Crest mouthwash or whatever you want to grab plus a Nicorette, that's $20.49. Subtracting the 5 off of 3 and the 4, you have to pay a bit more, which is $11.49 out of pocket. You're getting back your $5 of Walgreens cash, $3.50 register reward, $3 on IBOTTA, essentially making this transaction for free. So it's no longer a money maker because you do not have that 8 off of 3 coupon for the Crest. So it still shakes out to free and not bad. So we're going to look at the Nicorette deal in a different way. Of course, you need this booster loaded, and if you have a person that's trying to butt out, this might make a really good stocking stuffer or even a Christmas gift. So we're going to grab 2 of these, and they are $11.49 a pop. I know there's also a rebate on Fetch Rewards, but that is at Walmart only. Please don't write in the comment, you can photograph that and get more points. No, you can't. It's only at Walmart, so you can get some points for this, but it won't be the big bonanza like at specifically Walmart. So over on coupons.com, you're going to print out one of these, which is a $4 off. And this product, it should scan perfectly for that. So you need one internet printable plus one digital. So one of each, a paper and then this digital coupon. And then as you see on the Ibotta rebate, that you can do this up to 2 times. So there you have it. Like, how great is that? You're going to get $6 back. And please double, triple check your Ibotta account that this is valid on the 24th that morning. So looking at the math for this one, we are grabbing 2 of those Nicorette gums. That'll be $22.98. Subtracting 2 $4 coupons, one from coupons.com and one digital, that's $8 off right there. You're left with paying $14.98 cash out of pocket. You're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash for the $20 basket, plus $6 back from Ibotta, making it $3.98 for the 2 or $1.98 per product. If you consider that this product is like, almost $12 for one, paying $1.98 is a really great price point for this product. Okay, so let's look at a different basket. Of course, you need your handy dandy booster, and you will be at the store on the 24th, which is a Thursday. We're going to grab 3 boxes of the Frosted Flakes. They are $1.99 this week, and hopefully you have this 3 off of 3. Really great coupon. And then if you scoot over to Ibotta, 45 cents back. You can do this up to 5 times, so you will get back like $1.35 for the 3. We're going to grab 3 of the mouthwashes for $3 on the nose. Whichever product for $3 that's attaching with the manufacturer coupon. And remember, we have a $3.50 register reward when you buy 3 of these this week. Not too shabby. And then if you still might have this on your account, let's go with the 8 off of 3 digital coupon. Please make sure you have that guy loaded as well. And then we're going to grab a bit of fanciness, which is a box of this fancy Ferrero Rocher candy for $4.99. One of those. We have this shop kick offer, 800 points back, which is like $3.20. And then over on checkout 51, we have $1 back as well. And then one of these candies at checkout for 33 cents. Do not forget the candy. The candy is essential to get your basket right to 20. Because if you dip below that, you're not going to get back your $5 of Walgreens cash. Remember, this is on the 24th only. Have that booster loaded. 3 Frosted Flakes at $1.99 a pop. That's $5.97. 3 of the Crest mouthwashes at $3 a pop. That's $9. 1 Ferrero Rocher Fancy is $4.99. And then 1 caramel at 33 cents. Well, that brings our total to $20.29. The 8 off of 3 mouthwash Crest coupon is coming off, along with the 3 off of 3. You're left with paying $9.29 cash out of pocket. It must be cash. So we're getting $1.35 back from Ibotta for the 3 Frosted Flakes, a $3.50 register reward from Crest, $5 in Walgreens cash, plus 800 Shopkick points, plus $1 from Checkout 51, take a breath, making this free, plus a $4.76 moneymaker. Pay cash for this one. Don't use your Walgreens cash, pay cash. What a great little deal. It's almost a $5 moneymaker. Okay, so the last deal, I'm going to take it really easy on you guys. If you're busy with the family and you want to get a deal in, but you just are like, oh, this is so busy, grab 6 of these. Why not? Because I know a lot of you are looking specifically for a good soda deal. So whatever you can find, 3 for $9.99. So that's the promotion this week. These are usually $6.19. Even if you go to the finest store, like a Meijer or a Walmart, you can't get it this cheap with this sort of promotion. So grabbing 6 of those. And one of these candies at checkout that are 33 cents to get us to that $20 mark, because $9.99 times 2 is like $19.98. So Thursday only, have that booster loaded. Grab 6 Cokes for $19.98. If you want to mix and match all your beverages, you can do that too. It doesn't have to be all of the same thing. And then 1 filler item, which is that candy at checkout for 33 cents. So your total is $20.31. You will pay that. Credit card, debit card, cash, pennies, whatever you have, empties. So pay that, and then you're going to get back your $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $15.31 for the 6, or $2.55 per 12 pack, because I know a lot of you really want to stock up on drinks. This might be a quick little deal. You run into the store, make this happen, and then run out of the store. Well, don't run too fast, or some of it, you might, some of the pop might explode when you open it at home, but try and do this deal, because I know you're probably, you either want this for your family for the holidays, or you just want some stuff around. This is a great, easy deal, and you don't have to juggle 15,000 coupons and twirl 18 times at checkout. Good luck with this one, guys. I probably will be heading out on Christmas Eve to do one of the Nicorette deals, because I really want to do it. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.